Good day to you. Good day to you wherever you are. I want to trade. I want to teach you how I catch this USD catch. So the first thing is I'll go to higher time frame. I'll go to higher time frame daily chart. So from this daily chart, I can see that this particular trade is forming a double top. It's forming a what? It's forming a double top. How did I know it's formed a double top? How did I know it's forming a double top? This is how I know it formed a double top. So I already printed it. So another thing is what I want to go for my support and resistance. So it's going to guide me on where the zones are. So this is one support, this is here, one support here. Then this is another support here. I have like 4 or 5 touches. This is another support there. That's another support there. Then which one again? This is another one here. So these are my support. So I'll go to lower time frame so as to check where I can enter for entry. So this lower time frame, this is my H1, this is my H1. So on H1, I can see that this particular trend is supposed to break a particular zone here. So I want to use my trend line to mark it out, to mark it this low, the lower low, these two lows. I want to use my trend line to mark it, to mark it. So I'm trying to mark it. So easy to mark it out. I've already marked it like that. So what's the next thing? There are two zones here. There is a morning star on this support, and there is a bullish engulf on this support. So I'll mark it out. I will mark it out. Let me mark it out. So once I mark these zones out, once I mark it out like this, once I mark it out like this, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for the breakout, waiting for the breakout of this particular price. If the price break out of this place, I'm going to what? I'm going to enter a sell. So what am I going to do now? I want to enter a sell order here now, which is going to be what? A sell stop. After I'm expecting this particular price to break this zone. If it because from a higher time frame, we are shown that what is a lower is a downtrend. Is a downtrend. So I will be expecting this trade to break out. When it break out, let me set my stop loss. My stop loss will be above this point because this is another bearish candle, which is bearish engulfing candle. So then my take profit, my take profit supposed to be my take profit, my take profit supposed to be the distance between this up and this down here. So I can bring it out and put it here. So I'll use it to mark out my what? My take profit. My take profit. So if I want to enter it now, what will be my settings? I'm entering for sell stop. I'm entering for sell stop. So I click my sell stop here. What will be my sell stop? My lot size is 0.01. My sell stop is going to be 1.28636. Then what will be my stop loss? 1.291886. Then what will be my take profit? My take profit was 1.27206. So then I'll place this trade. So I'll place it like that. So this is what I'm expecting. How much am I expecting in this trade? I'll be expecting I'll be expecting my stop loss is 60, 58 pips, and my take profit is 139 pips. I think the risk reward ratio is a little bit okay. It's a little bit okay. So once it break out, I can always adjust my stop loss or I'll even break even. So that's how I'm going to trade it. Thank you very much.